السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إله محله وما
For those of you unfamiliar with my work, every year I read through every issue of every English language nutrition journal of the world, so busy folks like you don't have to.
I've been an entrepreneur all my life, starting out with a retail business with my brother. We grew that to a national retail chain over 25 years. That was very risk intensive. It's all about managing cash flow, fixed overheads on a month-to-month basis, managing multiple locations across the country, having exposure to stock and staff and landlords. All of that was very, very stressful. It was not actually the type of life that I wanted. And then we were hit with the recession in 2008, 2009. That changed everything for us. We had to, restructure the company, ended up selling the business. That was a huge wake-up call for me. I mean, I was in a void. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, where I was going to go. All I knew was that I had to find a tangible solution. I knew that the digital market environment was where the opportunity was, but I just didn't know how to make it happen. I had extensive traditional marketing experience, but no digital marketing capability or skill set. And that's when I actually came across Neil Milan's ad on Facebook and realized that the AFT solution, that 16-week program, represented a fantastic opportunity for me to upskill within a very short time frame and actually go out there and actually produce results using high-level digital marketing capability. That was then a no-brainer. I mean, for me, I knew that this was something that I had to do. The reality is that we are in a tech world. Everyone's on Facebook, everyone's on Google, everyone's on their smartphones. If we want to achieve success today, we have to upskill ourselves with the capability and the knowledge so that we can actually harness that opportunity. The course is structured so well. You've got your weekly coach call with a person that's real, that's there to help you, to hold you accountable. That's very, very important because, self-discipline when you go on these type of online courses is very difficult to keep up. And your coach is there to hold you accountable and keep you on track. The bridge between knowledge and skill is best served with practice. And AFT has structured a course that blends practical implementation with theory and content. Another differentiator for AFT is that they focus on mindset and they focus on driving the character.